Umentri rang ba kejelau Konrad ki sangma ulaong ba kejela kede banlong bapen kre hagani kapor bagi nongchong snong ki basakut chegwe ki jela klasdang banwan pai bat katanat ka kot kakya bat ki bor penya district ki de banlong bapin ngor da ka ba ula banrap ba haki imlang ka salang ru hab banlong bapen kre namar omtep ya ka ek banja ulong ba watla hagajela omdon chu ki basakta hag covid-19 Henry kam pat day pat kapor banju song klik tino ban ong bakani ka klam kalakut kam tam menta ka jengwan jong ki ban sabar ka jala kalstang kala ban mi kanu ka jingja kat kum ka jengong umentri ka sorkar ka sim khya bha menta palawan phai ki nong song snong bat ka pingor bat pikir bha ya ka jinglong jingman hakum kani kapor da ka ba kala le ya ka jingkmi nya ne tes kha pat bunsin martang da ka ba le ya ki tes anla bante lakam ya kejingma jungka klam covid-19 ha kejela konrar ulakran chairu ba omdei ban sngope ne lingo hanrei dei ban long gi bapngkre lada don ginu kijingja ka sorkar jela kla pngkre ban penpoi no ya baro kinong song snong ki bakwa pan wan pai sa kejela bagan thop ru na Delhi Maharashtra bat West Bengal panjagani ka sorkar kadang ekren bat kitu kijela ba kidon kinong song snong jong ka Meghalaya Umentri rang ba kejelau Konrad ki sangmau loong baka sorkar kalat pun kre ban pun poyeng no ya boro ki nong song snong kam tam ne gitu ki jaka ki bakham cha akta ulai tu bagi tu ki bon pai na po Bangalore kaladon halinti bat hakini knet sngi an sawan poi no ru kitu ki pasakot ko ma po Gurgaon Haryana kat ba ki badon na po Maharashtra ka sorkar kalap pun bai ban le no kloi ulong bana kamda gitu ginong song snong ki badon shakiwai pat ki jala ka sorkar kadangile panwan ya ka jingdon ki bakwa banwan pai krang banla ban penbet ya karel ka banwan yalam hagjo kapor na ki jaka bamarjan ha ka baide bar ka jingbu ya ka quarantine center ne ka jaka sa ka bakarpang ha ki jaka puli nagam ta gitu ki wan pai menteri rang ba ulong baka sorkar ka sabishar pat ai rai rei kum makalong menta ya ka kam la IT ha ka jingsta jung ki deputy commissioner ka bai tre lang rangkat pat ki bosnong pat la don kam ka sorkar kan shimru ya ki bai kilinti
I think I have been very clear from day one that now that movement of our own people is taking place from all states, I think we should be prepared mentally and from administration point of view and from health point of view. Society needs to be prepared that anything can happen. I have been maintaining that even yesterday, though officially we became a COVID-free state, but I don't think that's something to really sit down and say that, well, everything is over. Absolutely not. And now with the movement happening, we can expect that anything can happen. So I think this is no time to, as I said, be complacent. And we're very much aware of it, and we are very concerned. And that is the reason why we are continuously monitoring the situation. And testings are going to take place at multiple levels, multiple times. As I said, the testing is really going to be the key to ensure proper quarantine will be key to ensure that this thing does not go beyond a level where we'll not be able to control things. So therefore, I think it's very fair and very practical to expect that things could happen, and I don't think we should be surprised by it, and we should be mentally prepared for any kind of situation. The entire process for the people who will be coming in from Bangalore, and not only that, we also went through the details of all the other states where our people are still stranded, and including places like Delhi, Maharashtra, West Bengal, and since it's a massive operation, so therefore a lot of coordination needs to be done between the states. So we are working on all of that and trying to ensure that we can quickly act on Maharashtra and Delhi and West Bengal, which are the three largest. Then we have other smaller groups in different states, and they are scattered all over the place. So we're also trying to see how best we could combine with other states so that the numbers can be brought up to a practical amount and number so that we can organize trains. So all these efforts are on, so we have to take a review on all of that. So we discussed all of those details. Bangalore train is left. One more train from Gurgaon will be leaving very soon. We are hopeful that Kerala and Maharashtra also will be sorted out very soon. So these are the places that we are working on. At the same time, we also discussed about the fact that there's a cyclone also coming in. So how that could affect the operations, and we had discussions with the deputy commissioners also, and asked them to be sure that they take all the precautionary measures, because the Bangalore group will be coming in around that time, and so therefore the administration's efforts need to be balanced out so that we're able to take care of the effect of the cyclone, if any. At the same time, ensure that the operations of bringing enough people, testing them properly, maintaining, as I said, all the protocols. So all those things were also discussed in the meeting. Yeah, it's not something that there'll be a final, as I said, a protocol made on this. Everything will be decided and acted as per the situation. And so whatever the situation demands and the particular location demands, we will accordingly take the decision. We meaning we have given the liberty to the deputy commissioners and to the local officials and to the local locality leadership on what kind of options they can go for. So therefore this is an option which is going to definitely help, and the options will be utilized as per the situation.